Amidst concerns about residents still disobeying the week-long nightly island-wide curfew, an opposition member is urging the government to be more sensitive to the plight of inner-city residents. The curfew is one of several measures to curtail the spread of COVID-19, but some residents in West Kingston community told TVJ News it's hard for them to stay inside. Speaking at a virtual press conference on Friday, Dr. Shane Alexis empathized with the people.
I listened to a man last night, and I don't know his name, but he was on one of the popular newscasts that said, look, we're asking persons to just simply go at the curfew into their home, knowing that it might be 8 or 9 persons in one room or 2 rooms with an outside bathroom. TV stations, the media outlets could improve the television viewing, the entertainment available for persons inside their homes. We can't just assume that everyone has nicely air-conditioned homes with Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi, and a full fridge. There are many people don't have the same level of comfort, and when we ask them to stay inside, or we ask them to maintain social distancing, let's be sensitive to their reality and try to make it a little easier for them to adhere.